In this video, you will learn the process of graphing a linear inequality in two variables on a Cartesian coordinate plane. Let's recall the linear inequality in two variables. And we know that this can be written in one of the following forms. Here is an example of a graph of a linear inequality in two variables. And as you can notice, the boundary line is broken. And remember that this is broken if the inequality is less than or greater than. The second example has a solid line. And remember that the boundary line is solid if the inequality is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. And the shaded portion of the graph is what we know as the solution set. So meaning all the points that lie in this region is a solution to the given linear inequality. Let's take a look at this example. Say we want to graph x plus 2y is greater than 8 on the Cartesian plane. So the first step that we have to do is of course to determine the boundary line or to sketch the boundary line on the Cartesian plane. But how are we going to do that? Now, we have several steps. We have several methods. For example, we can use y is equal to mx plus b. But in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa pinakamadaling technique to graph a linear equation, and that is the intercept method. So we simply have to solve for the x and the y-intercept in order to sketch the line. So by solving for the x-intercept, we let y be equal to 0. Meaning, itong y dito, papalitan natin ng 0 para matira si x at masolve natin si x. But take note, like what I said, itong greater than symbol na to ay gagawin nating equal sign, okay, equal symbol para maging linear equation na siya. And now we have x plus 2 times 0 because y is equal to 0 is equal to 8. And now we have x. Since this is 2 times 0 is 0, hindi na natin isusulat dito. So we have x is equal to 8. And therefore, itong x is equal to 8 na to, this is our x-intercept, which has the coordinates 8, 0. And solving for the y-intercept, kabaliktaran naman, we let x be equal to 0. So here, itong x na ito ay gagawin nating 0 and then we have plus 2y is equal to 8. But since this is 0, wag na isulat, we have 2y is equal to 8. Then by dividing both sides by 2 to eliminate 2 at para matira si y, we have y is equal to 4. And therefore, the y-intercept has the coordinates 0, 4. Step 2 is to sketch, no? Sketch the boundary line. So by plotting the x-intercept, 8, 0. And remember, the x-intercept is a point, okay? Is a point that intersects the x-axis. And si y-intercept naman is the point, okay, na nag-intersect naman at tumama kay y-axis. So, 0, 4 we have here. Okay? And then by connecting these points, okay? And remember, since this is greater than symbol, ang gagamitin natin ay broken line. Okay, so ibig sabihin, every point na dumaan dito sa broken line na to is not part of the solution. Okay, step 3. Choose a test point. Yung test point natin, ito yung point, no, na gagamitin natin para malaman natin kung saan yung part na i-shade natin. Sa taas ba nung line o sa baba ba nung line. And remember, itong test point na to, ito yung point sa kahit na saan dito, no? Okay, na hindi dun kasama sa line. Kahit saan. And particularly and preferably, ang ginagamit lagi dyan ay 0, 0 para mas madaling mag-compute. So, by substituting 0, 0 or 0 and 0 to our inequality, x plus 2y is greater than 8, we have 0 plus 2 times 0 is greater than 8. And here we have 0 plus 0 is greater than 8. and therefore we have 0 is greater than 8. But this is a false statement since alam natin that 0 is not greater than 8 because 0 is less than 8. So meaning, kung ito si 0, 0, we can conclude that 0, 0 is not part of the solution. Ibig sabihin, yung graph natin, yung pag-shade natin dito ay kabaliktaran. Ibig sabihin, sa pag-shade natin, kailangan hindi tamaan itong 0, 0. So, ang pag-shade natin, yung kabilang part. So, this is now the graph of x plus 2y is greater than 8. And this shaded portion is, of course, the solution set. Meaning, all the points that lie dito sa shaded part na to ay part ng solution ng inequality. Another example, let's say we want to graph x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4. So the first step, again, is to graph the boundary line. And to be able to graph the boundary line, we have to use the intercept method to solve for the x and the y intercept. So for solving, for the x-intercept, we let y be equal to 0. Simply, palitan lang natin si y ng 0. And then we have x minus 2 times 0 is equal to 4. By simplifying, we have x is equal to 4 and therefore, the x-intercept has the coordinates 4, 0. Solving for y-intercept, we let x be equal to 0. Take note that x here will be replaced by 0. So 0 minus 2y is equal to 4. But since this is 0, di na natin kailangan isulat. But here, meron tayong negative 2y. So, negative 2y is equal to 4. Ito yung kadalasan nangyayari. Nakakalimutan itong negative na to. But here, kasama pa rin siya. So, by dividing both sides by negative 2, we have y is equal to 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. And therefore, the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Step 2, sketch na natin yung boundary line. By plotting first the x and the y-intercept. So 4, 0 lies here, and then 0, negative 2 lies here. Connecting the points. But here, since ang ginamit natin ay may equal, okay? So since ang ginamit natin ay less than or equal to na symbol, ang gagamitin nating boundary line ay solid. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng points na dumaan sa boundary line ay kasama or part ng solution. By choosing a test point, since 0, 0 is not part of the line, so pwedeng gamiting test point yan, substitute lang natin si 0, 0 sa ating inequality. So 0 minus 2 times 0 is less than or equal to 4. And therefore, 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 4, which means that 0 is less than or equal to 4, according here. But, of course, this is true. Okay, of course, this is true. 0 is less than 4. And since this is a true statement, we can conclude that 0, 0 is a solution. Meaning, 0, 0 is part of the solution to the inequality. Since nandito si 0, 0, ibig sabihin sa pag-shade natin, tatamaan dapat yan. So, yung shade natin na part ay ito. Okay? Mapapansin mo, si 0, 0 ay kasama doon sa na-shadean. Since sa ating test point, true siya. Okay? Sa ating test point, si 0, 0 ay solution. And that's it. I hope that you learn the process of graphing a linear inequality in two variables. Thank you for watching.